Okay, tell me who you are and what you're making.
My name is Jacob Lynch, and I am making the best cinnamon rolls ever. Right there.
1 hour cinnamon roll recipe.
So
And why are you doing this? What is this for?
it's for breakfast.
Or is it for a family baking championship?
This is for our family baking championship that will have my dad, my sister, and my brother. Wait, you want it to get it right? It's right here?
Yeah, this says 10 inches, 10 by 12 inches. Okay, what are you doing now?
I am rolling it tightly so that it's all the cinnamon in it. And then,
Yum.
so now I'm mixing the cinnamon, the sugar, and the
Brown sugar.
brown sugar. So now I'm going to pour it in.
It's for the filling, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm making the icing now, guys. As you can see, it's getting a little messy. So here they are, about to get frosted. They just came out of the oven. And if you're wondering why my hair looks different and my clothes are different, it's because I just took a shower from playing outside today. So now, all we have to do is just frost them. And I believe we're gonna use this one.
Sure, you can try both.
So it smells a lot like frosting. We made it ourselves, so let's do
With
it.
powdered sugar, vanilla, butter, and a splash of milk.
Yep.
How's it going? They look beautiful.
They look So here it is, finished. I'm gonna take a bite of it. These are really good.
Let's see what it looks like in there. Wow, Jacob, you did amazing. You think you'll win the family bake competition with these?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have a really good chance. Your complete homemade cinnamon rolls. Wow. What do you think, Luke? What are your thoughts on the cinnamon roll?
The icing is good. This is kind of crunchy. I like the stuff.
Now you did make it all from scratch, though.
Do you think it tastes good?
That gives you you get good points for that.
It's action. All right, Daddy's taking a bite.
Oh, really?
How is it, Dad?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good?
It's got a little crunch to it, which is good. I'm a little more on the softer side. You know, 'cause I'm like a softy, my heart's
That
soft.
looks soft.
It's a little edging. It's good.
You're just hating because you want to win.
Yeah, the other video that I actually joined in, you totally trashed that
I don't know about the mall, though. The mall Cinnabon, that's pretty hard to compete with.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
Here's my empty bowl. It was really good. Better than any of the families that they're gonna make.
Do you think they're better than the canned cinnamon rolls that we make usually?
Way better. Look at him right here. He's
Empty bowl.
Full stomach. Delicious.
Yeah, but his cake is boxed.
And it's
So don't vote for
boss. Just boss boxed.
Great job with your homemade cinnamon rolls, Jacob. They look and smell delicious.
They're good, man. They're good. You want to lick
Any
the ball?
final thoughts, Jacob?
I'm gonna win. They're not.
I had fun baking with you.
I did too.